Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will practice gratitude. That means noticing and being happy and thankful for something you have in your life. As you think about what you are grateful for, try not to settle with the answer of nothing. Think hard about something big or even so small that you are happy and grateful for. Let's begin by thinking of something at your home that you are grateful for. What is one thing at your home that you are happy and thankful to have in your life? Think of something in your kitchen that you are happy and grateful for. Think of something in your bedroom that you are happy and grateful for. Think of something else in your bedroom that you are grateful for. What is something about what your parents do for you that you are grateful for? What else do your parents do for you that you are grateful for? Think of an animal that we share our planet with that you are grateful for. Maybe it's just an animal that makes you happy. Maybe it's an animal that shares your home with you. Think of an animal that you are grateful for. Think of another animal that makes you happy. What is something about school that you are grateful for? What is something else about school that you are grateful for? What is an activity at school that you are grateful to be able to do? Think of some people at school that you are happy and grateful for. Think of some adults in the building that you are happy and grateful for. What is something about being you that you really like, that you are grateful for? What is a skill you possess that you are grateful for? What is something that you can do that not many other people can that you are grateful for? Take a moment now to list as many things as you can that you are truly happy and grateful for. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.